HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us find a Q value for the Tukey HSD test. Here's the table of critical Q values used to calculate the Tukey HSD value that defines the minimum distance two means must be from each other with alpha equals 0.05. Note that the columns indicate the number of groups in the experiment, not the degrees of freedom, which the critical F table uses. The rows indicate the critical Q values by degrees of freedom in the denominator term of the F ratio. For a single factor independent measures ANOVA, the denominator degrees of freedom are the within group degrees of freedom. Let's work through an example where we have 3 groups and 11 degrees of freedom within groups. With 3 groups, the columns that are highlighted indicate all of the critical Q values for denominator degrees of freedom between 1 and 40. With 11 denominator degrees of freedom, the critical value is 3.820. There is a separate table with all the critical Q values for alpha equals 0.01. The orange columns contain all the critical values when there are 4 groups in an experiment. For example, with 35 degrees of freedom, we have a critical Q value of 4.739 when the alpha level is 0.01. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.